Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style on the timeline to sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that here the daily candle today, it finished here. Me, I haven't traded today because I've been waiting the Fed Jerome Powell impact to the market, but there is no impact and the market it moved all that much today. That's good news because me for long term I got from down here a buying order. People they are with me, they know that. Me I buy the first order from here, second one from here, third one from here, and the fourth one from here. But for long term spots without leverage, just to explain all those things today. Now here at that level what we got, let me show you something. You got it here, very important today here in the daily. Look here guys, that here, that the first shoulder, over here that the head, and here that the second shoulder. You got a very clear head and shoulder here in the daily, and you are coming from a divergence down in our indicator. So now what you need, if the Bitcoin came a candle, a daily candle, and close above that level here, exactly that level here, you need to enter long, guys. Remember that if we break in that level here, you need to enter long again. Why? Take profit of that one, it needs to be in the top. I'm going to show you all those things here in that video. Why exactly here? I'm going to show it to you because as me I've been talking with you before, I told you we got here that downtrend here. As you see it, we are very close to break it today here, but the market is reversed, so there is nothing yet. We haven't break above here, and here we got the 200 moving average. I'm going to show it to you here today, and down here I told you is it that level here. So till now we haven't break the top of that triangle, as we've been following here about 1 month and something. Till now we haven't break it here, and now we got here the clear head and shoulder as I show it to you, as you see it. And let me show you those moving averages. As you see them, also we break the 50 moving average. Now the next target is at the 100 moving average. Maybe we're going to do like the same time how it's happened here. But if we came here, I'm sure also we are going to go back to here to 30k. So get ready guys. That's what also we've been talking about when you used to be down here. We used to tell you get ready. Look at it now in front of you. Bitcoin it give you here a head and shoulder, and that indicating the market is going to reverse upward, but till now it's not yet breaking the neckline. The neckline of that one is it like that. Look with me how I'm going to draw it. You do it like that, a small trend line like that, from that one here, and that one of today, and down. Look at that the first shoulder, that the head, and that the second shoulder, guys. Everything is too clear. And look at it, if we connecting those things, I'm not drawing on top of it for pictures to get more clear to you, and you get the idea. You saw it or not? So get ready guys. If we break in here in that level, you need to enter long again, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news of today to explain to you more and to know where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it here. That's the news we got. We got the GDP of UK. We got CPI of the Eurozone. And that one, the most important, is it that one here, that core PCI price index. That one is very, very, very important. It's going to tell you if inflation is falling down or no. The forecast here, it's showing it's going to come 3.9. The previous one, it used to be 4.2. If it came like that, tomorrow we're going to break that daily candle. It's going to close above that neckline of that head and shoulder I just show you in the daily in the Bitcoin. So everything is too clear, guys. Here another thing here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us today. All US stocks, they're closing green. People, they are in our VIP Discord of the stock market. They are very happy. Us we been buying all that leg were happening down. Us we been buying. Now us we making profit today. That's the power of our analysis, guys. But me, I think for your stocks is not yet, because till now we don't got any price action telling us the market is going to reverse. That's why me, I'm still waiting if the market is going to go more higher or no. And down here is our friend, the VIX. We reached to 18, but today it started falling down. We fell down to 17. But my currency started going back a little bit lower, but we need to pass today that PCI data which is coming today. Then we're going to make a decision based on that. Even the US dollar today, it fell down as you see it 105. That means we haven't reached to that 107 we said yesterday in our other YouTube channel. By the way, to find it, just search here in YouTube for Index Insider and you're going to find our other YouTube channel. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see the Ethereum what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction. Even that one, you remember we used to have here in that level like that, a trend line like that. It's getting broke here. But now us, we just touching here that very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone here. People they been with us, they remember when I show you here that head and shoulder down here in the 4 hours. When it's breaking the neckline, it's breaking by that big candle here. If you enter from here and you put your take profit here, will have it being headed today. That the power of our analysis. We said that head and shoulder down here for Ethereum that 2 or 3 days ago, and as you see here it had the take profit here. Now what should you do now, because also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, guys, and we got here a head and shoulder in daily as you see it here, like that, and like that. You see the head and shoulder here in the Ethereum, that the neckline here, which is that one here as you see it. Till now you haven't break it here. So if any candle came and breaking above that level here, you need to enter more long, guys. Remember those things. It's our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we haven't touched yet the overbought area. That's where it's left for it more room to go up, and that's what also we hope. If it's breaking here, that means it's going to go more higher. So let's hope the bull run is going to start, because people they're getting fed up of that sideways market. We've been in it all those days. Till now we still waiting till we got a clear picture the market is going to give us the bull run to start. I think everything is too clear. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours in the Bitcoin. Here in the 4 hours, we got here in that level like that. Look at it. A lot of price actions happening here. We got here that very, very, very big cup and handle like that, as you see it here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. If we break in here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher, guys. That's for the long. If we break in here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. Not for long. For short, what we got? For the short, we got here that triangle like that, as you see it. Very clear triangle here. If the Bitcoin fall down from here and breaking down here, you need to enter short. So you need to focus that those levels may I show you. If we break in here, that means you're going to enter long. If we breaking down here, that means you need to enter short, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we touch here the downtrend here. We just touch it here. Now what shall we do? Should we enter more long? Tell no, it's not yet. It needs the price action in the chart to tell you there. At this time here, also we just touching that one, and me, I'm still believing there is more falling down in the Bitcoin. But let's wait in the coming news of today. What's going to tell us that PCI data? What is going to tell us? Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Tell now everything is telling us. Also we are here in a bull market now. Not good news, but as majority of people they are in my Telegram and my Discord. Also we don't enter from the middle. Also we enter always when we are at the oversold or when we are at the overbought. So till now we haven't touched no one of them. So also we still waiting till we got a clear picture. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, it came from oversold area. Now the color it started changing here to green. That means you are now at the overbought area level. I just show it to you. You are in a very stronger level. In daily you are in the border of that downtrend. Let's see what's going to happen now. If we're going to break here, we're going to enter more long, or if we're breaking down here, that means we need to enter short. Till now as we're still waiting where is the market going to go, and me personally I tell it to you, I'm still believing the market is going to fall down till here. Then after that maybe we're going to see another jump up. Till now we don't got nothing, so also we need to wait more. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin went today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday video I told you here down I got a very clear double bottom here. I tell it to you, if you watching yesterday video you can go back and watch it, and I told you I'm not going to enter in it. Look at it, it went up till here. Some people in my Telegram and my Discord they enter in it long, but me I haven't, because me as majority of you didn't know the time of news. I don't trade. Now here what we got, look at it. You got here a very clear pennant here as you see it, which is that one here. That one I've been teaching you about it thousands of times. If we break in here, that means the Bitcoin is going to continue it upwards. If we break down here, Bitcoin is going to fall down. And me personally I'm thinking we need to wait in the enter short. That's what me I'm waiting till now. So till now we don't got nothing. You need to wait in the break where it's going to happen. Either down here you enter short. If we're breaking above here you need to enter long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area level. You are in a very stronger level. Price action you got here the triangle or triple top. If it's breaking down you need to enter short. Another thing very important here in that indicator, guys, if you see that one here is higher than that one, and that one here it's low compared to that one. So now here if you make it like that and you came down here and you make it here, you got a very clear divergence here in 30 minutes. So now if it came the market and breaking down here that level here, you need to enter short, but till now there is nothing, so you need to wait until the break happen here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.